Have you ever wondered what it feels like to have your teeth extracted, being given a denture, misplacing your denture, then going in for a semi-permanent teeth? Well, you need to watch this video. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the subscribe button.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life.
Guys, my sunscreen is on and I'm ready to go for my teeth. Final day without it. I'm so excited. Oh, hold up. Let me show you a video on what exactly they will be doing before we continue.
A cantilever bridge is one where a single tooth is used to anchor it. An adjacent tooth is prepared for the application of a dental crown. Then an impression is made of the area to ensure that the bridge will snugly fit onto the anchoring tooth. The bridge is fabricated, consisting of a single crown with another tooth structure suspended beside it. The bridge is then fitted onto the prepared tooth abutment, and the missing tooth gap is filled.
So the video you just watched now is what was done or what is going to be done to my teeth in this video. I just had to insert that video so you guys can get an in-depth understanding of what to expect by the ending of this video. From the intro you can actually see how the teeth came out, but this video is just to let others who have gone through the same thing as I am or who are going through that. It's not that painful actually, but you just have to make sure you do what you gotta do to make your smile always perfect. So yeah, please keep on watching till the end of the video. And guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have not, please get me to 1,000 subscribers and more by the end of the year. That's my goal for this year. Like, I'm taking YouTube very serious because I know that I have so much to offer. I know so many people are looking forward to my videos. Yeah, thank you guys so much and continue the video. Okay, one star.
Relax your mouth. No, just relax. Oh, go like this.
Put your head down.
What she's doing now, she's getting the mold of my upper and lower teeth. I don't know why they are getting the lower teeth, but I found that was what they are doing here. In this process of doing, like, I should relax my mouth so the mold can actually get my teeth shape accurately. It's very messy, so you have to clean your mouth and clean your face when they are done taking that. And now we're going to the gum. I call this gum, but actually a cement. They call it, like, now he's mixing the cement that was used to apply on the tooth, like the tooth that you are seeing on that pie brand carton there. So they're going to mix it very well with the cement, and they're going to be applying it on the tooth. I didn't get a video of the tooth before I put the cement. I'm so sorry. It's like two teeth conjoining together. As you can see, he's putting it inside the teeth, because obviously there's a hole. Then when he's done, see, he's putting it in my teeth. Okay. He's applying it to my gum. You see that other side that they reduced, the other teeth they reduced. That's the main reason, because you know that other teeth has a hole inside, like the one they're applying now. I don't know, you guys, the video I showed you explains all these things, so I should not even be talking too much. Please, if you skip the video, please go back and see the video I attached explaining the process of everything, because I'm not a dentist, I'm not a doctor. I'm only here for the experience, and I'm just here to show you guys my own experience so you guys can have a feel and understanding of what to expect if you are actually going in for a tooth extraction and a denture, followed by a semi-permanent teeth and a permanent teeth. Yeah, so yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have not done that, subscribe now before you forget again. Please keep on watching. This video is not too long. Yay, I now have a tooth. So the disclaimer now is this took a while. I went there by, was it 10? They didn't attend to me till like almost 30 minutes, like it was on and off, and I left there around, was it past 4? It took a while. That's why he even told me to come early. It takes a while. But now, as at this point, I was already, the numbing injection they gave me before they reduced the other teeth was wearing off, so I started feeling a little bit of pain in my gum. Even when he was putting this semi-permanent and the cement and everything, like I was feeling pain. Like I felt okay, it's wearing off and I might start feeling pain. And do you know that even as they were putting those teeth, I was still bleeding. Like my gum was still bleeding, because obviously it hasn't healed, and I was still, like I said, I feel that was why I was even feeling pain. My gum was still bleeding, but it actually stayed well. Like the guy tried. The main doctor had to leave, so he put this guy in charge, and he did a good job. Like it's been over 3 weeks now and the teeth is still standing. I was supposed to go back after 2 weeks for the permanent, but I don't know, he hasn't called me, and I always forget to call him, but I think I will do that this week. I don't know. Yeah, so this is the teeth is coming together. Woo! Coming out there. I will leave there. I just really.
Don't worry to get finished up. With time you stop doing it. Sorry.
When you see an opening there.
So long as there's blood coming out of it, there's nothing we can do, because it's pushing everything that we do off. Maybe you'd have to come back again.
If you have not watched the video I attached again, please go back and watch it. Thank you. It's time to go back memory lane just for the pleasure of it. This was my teeth before it broke again. This is my teeth after it was extracted. This was after the denture was put, and this is after they filed the teeth so they can put the semi-permanent. This was the same day. As you can see, there's still blood on it. I sent the pictures to the dentist. Like you can see that the cement is still very visible. Now it's not that visible anymore. This is my new and improved teeth, guys. Oh my gosh.
New set
Like
of
I was
teeth.
like, oh, money well spent. Money well spent. Like I spent a lot of money on this teeth, so nobody can tell me anything. Like, are you mad? Guys, like I was so excited to show off my teeth. Like I don't think I've smiled like this for a very long time. You remember I told you I broke my teeth when I was little? Don't worry, the story time is coming because that story needs to be told. So yeah, please guys, don't forget to subscribe and watch out for the part 3. The tutorial on this hair is going to be next on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe so you can get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you so much once again. Love you. Bye.